Oh hey, we're here at the Woolery and it's October. You know what October means? Christmas. Ha! It is 85 degrees outside right now, but we're still doing Christmas and you're gonna do it with us. You remember from last year we had the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas? It's time again. This is week number 1. This special is gonna run from October the 12th, which is today, till October the 18th, which is next Friday. You ready to see what he is? Ta-da! It is this cute little gnome from Going Gnome. He is adorable. He has a curly beard. He has little red mittens. He has ear flaps on his little pointed hat. He's cute. You know you want to make him. You've got plenty of time to make him for a Christmas gift for someone else or just as a craft to get in the spirit of things. And he is going to be on sale for this entire week for $23.50, which is a really good deal. In the kit, you get all of the material, all the wool you need, you get the needle, and you get the instructions. There's a picture on the front. It's foolproof. You can't mess it up. So here you go. Week number 1, 12 fiber gifts of Christmas with the Woolery. Let's get started, even though it's 85 degrees.